Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G06 Power, and today I will show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So, to get started, we will hold our power button and probably volume up. Yep, definitely power button, volume up. And from the boot options, you want to hold power off. As you can see, this brings up this window, reboot to safe mode. Do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications that you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. I'm gonna click on OK. And give it a moment. The device will start to boot back up and enter safe mode. Now, safe mode looks about the same as normal mode, with the added difference of any app that you have installed yourself or that was installed in general, downloaded, will be temporarily disabled while you're in this mode. So this is done for troubleshooting purposes. If you have some kind of problems, maybe some app is causing you some problems in using the device and you can't get rid of it, booting your phone into safe mode would basically resolve that problem, unless it's just a hardware problem. Maybe your phone is just broken, but in this case, safe mode wouldn't really help you. It's primarily where it's software related. So putting it into safe mode, you can solve that problem, but this mode isn't designed to be just kind of used permanently, as you will see in a second. So when we're in here, once it loads it up, widgets don't work. And then on the other page, you can see almost entire page of grayed out apps. These are all the apps that will not run in this mode, as they have been downloaded afterwards. They don't come by default with the Android. So if you try to open it up, it gives you the pop-up, downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. Now, once you've done troubleshooting your device, doing whatever you needed the safe mode for, you can again hold power button and volume up, and then select restart. Now this will reboot the device, and when it boots back up, it automatically enters back into the normal mode with all the applications functioning again normally as they did before. And as you can see, we're now back in normal mode. Or we will be in a second. There we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.